Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make a powerful Windows 11 cache and junk cleaner. No third-party software, no fake boosters. Just a simple file you can run anytime. So let's get started. A lot of cleaners you see online either don't work on Windows 11 or they claim to clean everything but actually do nothing. So this guide focuses on what Windows 11 actually allows you to clean safely and properly. First, right-click on your desktop. Go to New. Then Text document. Now open it with Notepad. Now I am going to paste the cleaner script. Don't worry, I will also put this in the comment below. This cleaner removes user temp files, Windows temp files, Windows Update download cache, Deliver optimization cache, Prefetch files, thumbnail cache, DNS cache, recycle bin, Edge and Chrome cache. And it resets the Microsoft Store cache. These are the main junk files that build up over time on Windows 11. Nothing risky, nothing that breaks the system. Now click File, then click on Save As. Name it something like win11 underscore power underscore cleaner.bat. Note, here's the important part. Change Save As type to all files. Then save it. Now right click the file. Choose Run as Administrator. Let it finish. It may take a minute or two depending on your system. Once it says cleanup complete, you are done. After running this, you should free up space. Windows Explorer feels a bit snappier. Browser junk is gone. Update leftovers are cleaned. This is not magic. It's just basic maintenance done properly. If this guide helped you, then please give it a like and subscribe our channel for more tech tips. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.